It's always hard to work out whether a stock's been directly affected by Brexit, but one of the stocks in our portfolio which we think has been eMerchants. eMerchants is a provider of debit cards. They can be programmed to almost anything that a potential customer needs, whether use at time of day, whatever. One of their biggest markets is the provision of cards into the sports betting market. So Ladbrokes here in Australia and Sportsbet, etc., are offering eMerchants cards to their clients so they can draw their winnings out seconds after the horse wins in the race, as opposed to waiting days, as they used to do with the old sport betting accounts. Now, they have a large operation in the in the UK, Europe. And when Brexit happened, there was a natural assumption that the banking relationships that they have to make this product work was under threat from the Brexit exit. And the share prices pull back on the back of that. That's just unfounded in our view. When we look at it, they've got 6 banks that they use in the EU and Europe, 3 in the UK, 3 in the European Union. 2 of those are actually registered across both jurisdictions. So Brexit or no Brexit, there was going to be no change in that relationships that eMerchant has with those issuing banks, and therefore no impact on their actual operations. So when we look at where eMerchants is, where is it at the moment? We're expecting some very exciting things from eMerchants in the next little while. They signed Bet365 in the UK, the biggest sports betting player in the market. As we saw here in Australia, once one player jumps onto this product, the others tend to follow pretty quickly. So we're expecting to see material contract signings from eMerchants over the coming months. Timing's always hard because contract negotiations can drag out, but they're coming. We're pretty confident of that. The other things they've also done is now also made an acquisition into the US market. So we expect to see also product extensions into that market as well. So this is a company we're expecting to see some pretty significant sort of customer acquisitions over the coming months, 6-9 months. Valuation, eMerchants is worth many times where we see it today. If you were to value eMerchants purely on its Australian operations on the sports betting marketplace, you'd probably say it's pretty fully priced. But the opportunity it has in the UK, a market 5-6 times larger than Australia, let alone what it's going to do over in the US, and the other sleeper business in the whole eMerchant story is Store Financial. Store Financial is a provider of cards, gift cards into shopping centres. Now, it might sound strange for us here in Australia where, shopping centre gift cards have been, cards for a long time. In Europe, they're paper-based vouchers, okay? That technology is clearly last century. And this company is a leader in the provision of card-based gift schemes and is growing incredibly strongly in these centres across Europe and UK. That business itself is also probably very much unappreciated by the market.